The Definition of an Ageless Warrior by Steve Jennings. You may ask, what exactly is an ageless warrior? Well, when you become a shining beacon of light and inspiration to all those around you, you become an ageless warrior. When you become an enlightened representative in the cause to promote true health and life freedom, you become an ageless warrior. When you claim the freedom to be free of pain, disease, restriction, self-doubt, and the horrible feeling of being unsuccessful in life for any reason, you become an ageless warrior. When you wisely, effectively, and with composure handle life's challenges, roadblocks, and setbacks, and overcome them no matter the circumstances, you become an ageless warrior. When you know, see, and believe that nothing is near as impossible as it may seem, and then you succeed, and then help others succeed by leaving a profound and indelible imprint upon their lives, expressed through your newfound wisdom, care, and kindness, you become an ageless warrior. It doesn't matter who you are or what your story is, this can be you. You are important. Your life is important. And attaining this level of youth-filled health and successful life fulfillment is absolutely within your grasp. Just imagine the rewarding lifestyle and the incredible personal satisfaction of being your best. Now just go to the order page and push the button and start your journey to becoming an ageless warrior. Go to stevejennings.com and make your dreams come true by becoming an ageless warrior now.